very well good morning to you all. As you all know, it's me Aina Gubaju from grade 10 standing in front of you all to speak about editorial from 3rd November of today, Monday. Fugitive arrested with loaded gun. Kathmandu police arrested a fugitive who escaped during the Gen Z protest in early September, recovering a weapon unlooted from a police office. The Central Intelligence Bureau of Nepal police said a gas gun marked 972 WK 683010322189 was found inside a black bag placed on a plastic chair outside Solukhumbu Khajagar at Laureto, Kathmandu Metropolitan City 7 on October 30. Police discovered that bag had been kept there by 22-year-old Yangsu Lama, also known as Raja Tamang, originally from Mahabharat Rural Municipality, Kabre, and currently residing in Gokarneswar 3 in Kathmandu. Police say 3 leaf cartridges marked 9mm, 9x19 and 9x19 MFS were also recovered. Authorities said that Lama was imprisoned in Sundara jail for judicial custody on the charge of attempted murder and had escaped on September 9 during the Gen Z protest. Saying this much, I like to conclude my editorial. Thank you for and have a good day.
Namaskar and good night. Today I am standing in front of you all guys to deliver a sweet and short speech on the topic of evils of smoking and drinking. So before starting my speech, I would like to thank the ECA committee of Hong Kong Vidyasagar to give me such an opportunity to stand in front of such a crowd and deliver a speech. So my topic goes like this: evils of smoking and drinking. So evils of smoking and drinking. Smoking refers to the act of using cigarettes or any other harmful substances by burning them, which produces smoke. Smoking doesn't only harm our health, but it also does pollute the environment. So, and drinking as well. Drinking refers to the act of drinking or using any type of harmful liquids like wines, alcohols, etc. So, smoking damages our health badly. Or it's all wrong. So it's negligible. So while smoking, they think that they are looking nice, they are being cool, but in reality, they are just hampering their own health. So smoking is smoking. So those people who do smoke, they are called smokers. So smokers, they damage their health very badly. It may lead to fatal diseases like lung cancer and other cancers. So smoking is very harmful for our health. Likewise, drinking as well. Drinking alcohol and other different species. So it also damages our health as well, like lung cancer and many heart disease. Those people who smoke and drink, they are likely to cause some diseases like heart disease, chronic diseases. So they causes many respiratory problems in their health, and they cannot survive till their real age. So smoking and drinking, they are harmful for our health. So at last I would like to say that we should not smoke and drink as they are injurious to our health. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Namaskar and very warm good morning everyone.
Come front and hello. Come right front.
Namaskar and very warm good morning everyone. As usual, it's me Rasma Rao from grade 7 standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of agriculture in Nepal. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the initiatives of this. I would like to thank the organizers who have organized this type of programs, which helps to increase the confidence level of the students. Now my topic was like agriculture in Nepal. Majorities of Nepalese peoples are dependent on agriculture. More than 90% of peoples are dependent on agriculture. Nepal has less area to cultivate. In Tarai there is in hilly region there is no total cultivation of Nepal is gardens. All the foods and cash crops are cultivated in Nepal. The soil Tarai has Tarai has Tarai Nepal has less area to cultivate. The peoples of the Tarai peoples total cultivation of Nepal is Tarai based. All the fruits and cash crops are cultivated in Nepal. Tarai, because the soil of Tarai has highest power to cultivate, but still farmers are using traditional method of farming. The government have to provide them modern technical tools to farmers, and if then then produce they will produce, and the population will increase, and agro-based industry in Nepal. Thank you.
To you all respected vice principal sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my friend. As you all know, it's me, Ubji Vishta from grade 5, standing in front of you to deliver a sweet is on the topic of the books. Before starting my topic, I like to thank EC of Anupam Vidya Sadhan who organized this type of program with the increase of confidence level of the student. Now my topic goes like this. Books are our best friend. They never leave us alone and always ready to teach us some new thing. Book gives our knowledge. There are many kind of books. Story books, history books, science book, poem, jokes, and many more. Story books are make us laugh and dream. Knowledge books are help us study and grow wise. Reading books improve our language, vocabulary, and thinking power. Less friendless us reading habit in the school, and we must read good books. Good books help us to float toward on the ocean of life. Thank you. Have a nice day.